Either you or someone you work with made a great choice when investing in SmartStock. This instructional video will show you how to put together your SmartStock accessories. First, let's make sure you have the correct products from your authorized GP distributor or from GP directly. The stand, SSBASEWHEELS, and the Carousel, SSC3. Depending on your mobility needs, there's also an option for wheels, part number SSBASEWHEELS. Here, you can see all the parts contained in the stand and carousel boxes. There's also an instruction sheet. Let's begin. Starting with the carousel, turn it upside down like this, and place the spacer in the center. It's important that you place the spacer facing the correct way. Take the long rod and remove the wing nut. Place the long rod through the four-winged metal spider. The closed end, with the bolt, should be at the base of the spider. Take the spider and the long rod and place it on the back of the carousel. Make sure the spacer on the carousel and the bolt on the rod are aligned. The wings of the spider also need to be aligned with the pre-drilled holes on the carousel. Using 8 screws and the Torx L key, screw the spider into the carousel. Tighten screws once all 8 are in place. The spider is now attached to the carousel. Place the cylinder over the long rod. Place the cap over the opened end of the cylinder. Be sure to push it all the way in. Place the base plate upside down on the cylinder. Place the locking washer and wing nut on the long rod. Turn and tighten until snug. Either screw the 4 feet into the bottom of the base plate, or if you have the wheel option, attach those. Use a wrench to tighten wheels snug to the base. Turn the stand over and set it down. The stand is complete. Enjoy your SmartStock system.